I'm at the GKIC Growth Summit 2019. As you can see, I'm going to scroll around a little bit so you kind of see what's going on around me. And right now there's a session going on, which I'd love to get back to, with Steve Sachs, Major League Baseball player who's been very successful in business. And I want to share with you a couple of takeaways, especially for copywriters. This I learned from a great marketer named Robert Scrope, who you've probably heard of, known as a retention expert. And here's what he told me, based on his experience, which has worked extremely well for him, that he learned from Dan Kennedy, is 3 points. Number one, get known for something. In Robert's case, he's known as a retention expert, helping companies solve the problem of churn, which means customers leaving a membership. Number two, write a book that solves a big problem that your target customer has. And in his case, again, he used a problem of retention, which is a big problem for companies, and showed how that's a big problem and how he could solve it. And then finally, number three is target the right audience. Again, in his case, he's targeting companies that are in the $100 million plus range, and that is an enormous part of the success that he's experienced. So those 3 points for you, just to share real quickly here from the Growth Summit. Number one, get known for something. Number two, write a book that is, in essence, your sales letter and lead magnet. Number three, target the right audience. I hope that helps. And if you like this post, share your comments below and let me know what questions you have, how we can help you get along to the next step in your business. Take care. Bye-bye.